Tripod turnstile is one of the most commonly used entrance solutions used in areas with high footfall for sensitive access control needs. Tripod turnstile is a unique product offering by Hikvision in the high-speed entrance control product portfolio. Hikvision's tripod turnstile, model number DS-K3G4402 series, is designed to detect unauthorized entrance or exit of public passages. By adopting the tripod turnstile integrated with access control system, person can authenticate to pass through using ID card, face recognition and fingerprint authentication. SUS 304 pedestrian material refers to superior steel quality, MCBF with more than 3 million times, lane width 550 mm, drop arm length 510 mm. It is used for indoor application. Tripod can be customized with audio content, remote control and management with Hikvision's Hik Central CMS software. Tripod turnstile comes with inbuilt controller and MyFair card reader technology. Elegant appearance design, built-in access controller and card reader, most effective barrier gate to restrict tailgating. Barrier drops automatically for emergency evacuation. Quick accessing speed with more than 35 persons per minute. LED indicators designed especially in the middle of the turnstile for easy access. Hikvision tripod turnstile operational benefits, which allows one person to pass through at a time, thereby effectively managing the footfall. Visitor can't force it open without proper authorization. One can easily customize it with different access control systems such as smart cards, proximity cards, key cards, cameras, motion detectors, face recognition terminals, and biometric scanners. It is widely used in residential complexes, offices, factories, commercial complexes, educational institutes, stadiums, temples, theme parks, museums, gyms, hostel, and also in transport terminals like railways, metros, airports, and seaports. Hikvision tripod turnstile, smart high-speed entrance solution for your security needs.